In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money while doing nothing. First of all, before I get into the video, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel because I do upload videos on social media growth hacks and business. Okay, so let's get into the video then. The first app that allows you to make money from doing nothing is SlideJoy. SlideJoy is available to download on both iOS and Android. So first you just need to sign up. So I'll just sign up. Once you've signed up, it asks you to choose your mode. So there's two modes. There's normal mode, where you actually get the earnings you earn from SlideJoy, which you can then get the earnings through gift cards or PayPal. Or there's hero mode, which just lets you don't have to do anything, you just automatically, whatever you earn, it donates it to your chosen charity. You can choose whatever mode you want and you can change anytime you want, but for the purpose of this video we'll choose normal mode. So what SlideJoy is it's basically it advertises on your lock screen. So when you have your phone unlocked, it shows you targeted advertisements on your lock screen. So it's kind of like Google AdSense, but for your lock screen. I'll just show you. So there, it just shows me something on my phone, and then I can actually just ignore it if I want and just unlock my phone like normal, or I can click on the story if it interests me. So it doesn't get in my way, or it's not intrusive, it doesn't steal your data or anything, and it just sits there really. So it's a pretty good way of earning money doing nothing. SlideJoy is actually a great way to earn some extra money while literally doing nothing. It just sits on your phone and you just earn money. Now you won't be earning tons of money, you won't be rolling it in money, but you'll maybe earn enough, a small amount really, that will be enough to pay towards something, or you can use the money that you earn from SlideJoy to invest in something else. The next app is called Money SMS. Money SMS, it just allows you, it sends text messages to you that you don't have to do anything with, but you get paid for each message you receive. So I'll just show you how it works. First I'll just have to sign up with my mobile number. Unfortunately, Money SMS is only allowed on Android devices, as iPhones don't allow permission for messages to be read. So the whole premise of Money SMS is just simple really. You get paid for each SMS text message you receive. You get paid 2 cents. I mean, it doesn't sound like much, but just receiving messages which you do nothing, you don't have to pay for the messages to come in, you don't need to do nothing, so you get paid for just doing nothing. So it's just a bunch of random letters. That is, I mean, it doesn't mean nothing. You can delete them after you've received them. You don't need to do anything with them. It's just they use your device as a text message testing device to see if the messages actually send. But the letters, they don't really mean anything. So that's it. That was the two apps that you can use that pay you for doing nothing. I mean, they're pretty good for you not doing anything at all. And like I said, they won't make you an overnight success and you won't be rolling in money, but they will give you enough for you to either invest in something else or just a little bit of money for you to pay towards something else. So if you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you could leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.